Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Pratibha Sharma, and if you're new to the channel, then I am a beauty and fashion content creator. Today I am again up with another haul video. Basically, it's a makeup and skincare haul video because Nykaa's birthday sale is live and the discounts were up to 60% off on each and every product. So of course I had to shop. But this time I didn't shop randomly, so I picked some of the most viral products and some skincare products as well because my current skin situation is not at all good. I had to switch to another skincare routine and I thought of investing in something good. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So let's start with the viral products first, and the first thing that I got is this tinted sunscreen by Dot and Key. Obviously, you guys know this has been like trending a lot. People have gone crazy using this, and the strawberry dew tinted sunscreen that comes with niacinamide and has SPF 50 PA plus 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 plus. So of course, had to give it a try. So I got this in the shade 0101 Proclean Procylin or whatever it is, and let's give it a test. I'll try it on my, because I've not done any kind of makeup right now, just applied a little bit of concealer on my under eyes and all. So we'll try this on my skin to see how it looks. Test. I will apply on my one side. Fuck. I think I poured excess amount of sunscreen. Fuck. Yes, I have. Okay, let's apply this on the other side as well. Product on my hands, that's why. But oh my god,
गॉड ओ माय गॉड तो क्या बोलेंगे सर नहीं अब मैं पूछूंगा ऐसा कैसे हुआ
like I didn't apply any kind of highlighter, I didn't apply any kind of nothing, even primer was not there. But see, look, can you look at the glow? Oh my god, I should have shown you half part the sunscreen and a half part that raw face, but I took a lot of amount of, you just need a little bit amount of sunscreen all over, and that is like fine for all over your face. Oh my god, I am pretty impressed with this product, and I think I should have purchased it earlier, but it's okay. Oh my god, that is so nice. This sunscreen is a must try, and for the part that it has SPF 50 PA plus 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 plus, then guys, you should go for it. It's very nice. So the second product that I have is the Maybelline New York Super Stay Lumi Matte Foundation. So this foundation comes with SPF 16 and I got it in the shade 120. I don't know if it will match my skin tone or not. I randomly picked the shade. So yeah, let's see, because now there's no return policy, so I have to use it even if it doesn't match my skin tone. So I'll take little bit amount of it onto my, oh my god, this has this watery consistency. So okay, this is like I'm doing makeup in front of you guys, also reviewing the products as well, like to blend it. Oh my god, I can trust it blindly because Maybelline has like very good products. So yeah, it's a nice product. The third viral product that we have is the Elf Camo Liquid Blush, and it is, I have this in the shade Cheeky. Okay, Cheeky Lychee. Like I've seen creators comparing it with the Rare Beauty blush. So yeah, I thought that okay, I have never used Rare Beauty blush because it's very expensive. So I thought that okay, people say that it's a kind of dupe for that product, an affordable dupe, and that too Nykaa, that birthday sale was live, so obviously it was like very much less in price. So okay, let's try it on and see if it actually worth it or not. So I'm just taking 2, 3. Okay. Now I blended it with the same brush. Oh my god. Well, this is not my shade. Like, I prefer a bit darker shade because I think darker shades, like darker, like that, those cherry kind of things look good on my skin. But I think this looks pretty. This is the best. I love it how it is looking on my skin. Like the shine that it has added, and the shade is perfect. I was very skeptical about this shade. I was like, will it work or not? But then I thought that okay, let's give it a try. Because I have Etude ka cherry tint and that looks good. But I never tried a little lighter shade on as a tint on my skin. But this looks good. It is viral for a reason and now I know why. The fourth product that I have got is this Maybelline New York Serum Matte Lipstick in the shade 003 Open Latte. I think it's latte or late, I don't know. So yeah, let's test it out. I thought I thought I'm applying some kind of butter onto my lips. It's so buttery. Smell is also very nice. Some candy smell. It's not too dark, it's not too light, but perfect for any kind of skin tone, I think, because it's so good. It looks good on me. Guys, trust me, all those products that I have bought are like not randomly. I bought it on a like I wanted to buy it, but it was like the shades. All the shades that I got are like I just randomly picked the shades, and I was confused if it would look good on me or not. But now I'm like, okay, all the shades that I got are very nice, and those look good on me. So yeah, and this lipstick is very good, very matte finish, and it actually it hydrates, kind of hydrates your lips because it has that serum formulation. So yeah, even the packaging is very nice. So yeah, highly recommended. Now the fifth viral product, actually this is not a viral product, but the fifth product that I've bought is the K Beauty Soft Matte Full Coverage Concealer. This is enriched with hyaluronic acid plus niacinamide. Now this is not a viral product, but I wanted to try this, and I have bought this in the shade 140Y medium. This is also a kind of just randomly I picked the shade because I don't know if it look good on me. I have been using Maybelline concealer, Fit Me concealer since ages, and I've never shifted to any other concealer because that is so good. But this time I wanted to try the K Beauty one because I have heard a lot of people saying that K Beauty concealer is very nice. Like it is easy to blend and it gives you that full coverage. So I thought that okay, sale is live, let's purchase it. I'll apply on my under eyes. Okay. I'll use my hands only to blend it to see how. I think that people saying that it's a full coverage product, they are saying right only because it actually blended pretty well. Like my full face makeup is done with these all viral products, and I'm really happy how it turned out. The lipstick shade is nice, the foundation shade is nice, the tinted sunscreen that worked really well, and this concealer. I have found my new favorite concealer. Since the viral product makeup viral makeup products are done, we'll move into the next section, that is our skincare products. Like that is a skincare product that I bought, and basically my skin has been acting very weird these days, maybe because of summer or I don't know why, but I've got those comedons, like small tiny bumps on all over my face, like my forehead and onto my cheeks. So I thought of changing my skincare routine, and these are the few products that I bought. The first thing is this Derma Co salicylamide anti acne face wash. I have still not got it. Second product that I have is the CeraVe Gel Cream Hydrant Oil Control Moisturizer. So it's kind of gel moisturizer. It's very lightweight. I've already started using it. I've applied onto my skin. The second product is this Minimalist Salicylic Acid with 0.2% salicylic acid. It's a face serum, and
this claim that it helps reduces oil, acne, blackheads, and it's particularly for acne prone
skin. I don't have acne, but I have comedons, and dermat recommended that this might work. Like this will work. I have to see. The third product is this Ordinary AHA BHA peeling solution. So this wasn't recommended, but I wanted to try the AHA BHA peeling solution, and I bought it. So yeah, will tell you how it is working onto my skin. And this is the new addition to my sunscreen list. So I've been using Dot and Key sunscreen, that vitamin C sunscreen, for very long, but right now, since my skin is acting weird, so I thought of switching to a new sunscreen. And this is a celebrity famous sunscreen. Like I've seen Alia Bhatt using the sunscreen, and a lot of the creators also say that celebrities do use this sunscreen. This has other variants as well, like tinted variants, but I got the Isdeen Photo Protector Fusion Water Magic Sunscreen. It has SPF 50, UVB, UVA, PA plus 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 plus. What it has that watery consistency, and you just have to shake it and then use it onto your face. So we'll use it and we'll tell you how it is working onto my skin. Okay, all the products are done. There are 3 more products. That is this M Caffeine body scrub. The last 2 products that I have, actually it's one product, but I got buy one get one offer. So these are this Victoria's Secret Bare Vanilla and Pure Seduction perfumes. Both of the perfumes are very nice, like the smell is very good. But since I was seeing that the sale is going on and they have like buy one get one, so I thought that okay, let's purchase these 2 only. I wanted to try another variant of this only, but then I thought that no, I don't want to, like, again, if I get a bad one and then keeping it and wasting your money is not good. So that's why I bought these 2 only. And so yeah, these were all the products that I bought. And yeah, the 2 free products that I got with this sale was the free Isdin Prom FP Fusion sunscreen and the CeraVe foaming cleanser. So they are still not delivered yet, so they will be coming next Wednesday, I think. This was it for the whole haul. And
yeah, like I'll tag all the products in the description link, and just let me know whatever product you like, and if you want any kind of recommendation for any type of product or any information related to it, I'll share that with you.
And regarding the skincare product, so I'll review it. I'll wait for at least 1 month to see how it is working onto my skin, and then we'll make a separate video to tell you guys how if my comedons have like improved or not. So yeah, thank you for watching, and if you have come till end, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon button so that you get notified whenever I upload any kind of video. And yeah, follow for more.